Hello and welcome from Morelo in Schlüsselfeld in Bavaria. This is a Morelo Loft Liner luxury motorhome. I'm going to show it to you in 3 minutes or less. And right, so first thing we have here is a security door. It doesn't take a key, it takes a code. And there is the place for the code. If you don't know what the code is, then theoretically you won't get in. And if you forget it, same thing happens as if you forget your keys. Got a place to keep your shoes as you come in the double floor. The floor itself is flat all the way to the back. And at the back, you've got this enormous bed down here. The bed, of course, comes with storage all the way around, and there's a big sky light in the roof, which you can see there, and it's also got a television. Here we have toilet, and the door will close down there like that. Gives you a view of the toilet, and on this side we've got the shower as well, and this door will also close as well. Coming in here, we've got the very large kitchen with 3 hubs, storage below, 2 sinks. We've got the wardrobe here, and next to the wardrobe there's a fridge and a freezer, both of which will open both ways, and there is an oven, and which also works as a microwave as well. Storage along the sides of the walls, an enormous skylight up here as well, and space around the table for what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 6 people, something like that. There's sleeping for 4. Oh, I mean, you get in the bed back then, maybe the sleep position. Bed up here over the driving compartment. You could, of course, if you bought it new, have cabinets instead as an option. That table will expand by approximately 25% to 30%, make it a bit bigger. Here we've got pull-out pantries, 2 of them, and useful for keeping bottles. And around, let's come outside now, under the vehicle there's storage for all sorts of things. Garage will take 250 kilos of weight. There's a reversing camera. Thanks for watching. I did that in under 3 minutes.